Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oroluwa. Better still, you can call me Ore Peters. Thank you very much. And if this is your first time tuning in, you're welcome. This is me giving you a shout out. Thank you for stopping by. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Go and subscribe now. Go and subscribe now. Hit the subscription button, please. Thank you very much guys. Without further ado, let's get into what this video is about. Me coming for people that lead people on. I don't get the logic behind this behavior, whatever this is. But why do you, knowing fully well that you're not interested, knowing fully well that you don't want to pursue long term with them, why do you keep leading them on? I don't get it. And this is me coming from not just people that lead people on, and also people that keep being led on. I don't get it. I've had so many stories of, we liked each other, we kept chatting, we kept talking, feelings started entering, and we're catching feelings here and there. And then all of a sudden, he comes or she comes and says, okay, I don't think a relationship is what I want. What? Are you serious? You people did not know. You did not know when you were talking every day, when you were chatting every day, when you were liking each other. Have you eaten? When are you going to sleep? Are you back home? Okay, what did you do today? Okay, I understand that. Friends can also be involved in this type of way. You know, your friends, they're asking you, okay, what have you eaten today? Are you well? But not up to the point that people know that you're already catching feelings. This one already looks like relationship. You're already deep into, and then all of a sudden say, I don't think relationship is what I have. You know how they see it. I don't think a relationship is what I need right now. I don't think a relationship is what I have. Or people that say it's not using. Okay, I guess that one is for breakup. But back to those, I don't think relationship is what I need. Then why then did you lead the person on? Because I don't get. See, let me put it to you. That's just evil. I can't think of any other word, but rather than just evil. Because you've always known from the beginning that the relationship is not what you want. Then why don't you come out and tell this person? You know that people are already catching feelings. This person likes you, and you know, and then you keep giving signals, signs that okay, something is meaningful here, and then all of a sudden you're like, you don't think a relationship is what you need. I want to tell you to chill, to calm down. If you know a relationship is not what you want, if you know a relationship is not what you need, then stay off it totally. If you know that's not what you want, stay off it totally. I've heard of people that they are in a relationship, they have a babe, they have who they are dating, they are engaged, hoping to get married soon, are still in the process of leading somebody on. I don't get it. I can never get it. That's the thing. I don't think I will ever get it. I will never understand why people do this. Why you be in a relationship and then you be leading somebody on? I've even heard of stories. I guess I heard one story one time of someone apparently was in a relationship. He has been in a relationship for a long time, and then they started talking with this new person, and you people spoke for like a year, and within that 1 year, you didn't see it important. You didn't deem it important for you to tell this person that, okay, I'm in a relationship. How do you sleep at night? You sleep well. You can actually sleep well, knowing fully well that you have broken someone's heart or that you have done something wicked to someone. So that's why I'm like, if you know that you don't want something from the beginning, let this person know, let this person go. Don't play with someone's heart like it's something, like it's not a game. If you want to be playing up and down, be catching feelings, go somewhere else. There are fun places you can do that. This is for people that you know that you keep being led on. I want to see, let me advise you. And as far as I know that you are not, see, to put yourself at a safe place and to avoid heartbreak, to avoid sin, to avoid some things, get into it, when you get into a thing with somebody, I know people are doing the relationship privilege, whatsoever they're talking, people are already catching things. It's important for you to know what you people are doing. Sincerely speaking, it's important for you to ask the person. I do not say go and propose marriage or ask the person for a relationship or say okay. I'm saying just to know that, okay, are we on the same page? What do you think? Because if sometimes if you don't ask, this person would not act. The person might not even think, the person might not even have what you have in mind. So it's important to avoid so many things, so many tears at the end, that you'll be crying up and down, that you'll be heartbroken, not be able to eat well. It's important that you know where the both of you stand. To avoid, sincerely speaking. And also I would like to say that, you know, that there are sometimes that someone is just being your friend all for the sake of being your friend. Like this person's only friendship that they have to offer you. And then you that used to catch feelings easily, your heart is that it's okay for people. I'm not judging, this is not me judging you. Like, you know, you're this type of person that you're so quick in catching feelings, though you would have to work on that. But this is not me judging you. But for someone like you, that you know that you're quick in catching feelings, your heart moves in one kind of way that I cannot explain. There's sometimes that this other person is only offering you friendship, and you've taken it another way. So you might not really, at times you might not really blame them. And you cannot date everybody. Let me say this at this point. Everybody cannot be, you cannot get married to everybody. It's only one person eventually that you get married to. Don't put everyone under unnecessary pressure that they have to be in a relationship with you. There are some people that God intentionally sends them your way for the way of friendship. Now I want this person to you, but your antenna, you thought about another thing. This person, I've seen us, our future is bright together and everything. So let us be very careful. To those that you know that you keep leading people on, people should stop. It's not right. Let's call a spade what a spade is. It is not right. Stop leading people on. If you know you don't want a relationship, then stay off. So let people know this is it and this is not it. Set boundaries. And for people that keep being led on, set boundaries. I cannot overemphasize this. Set boundaries. Don't lead people on. Don't keep being led on. And most importantly, not everybody that is coming into your life is there for a relationship. Some people are there for friendship. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying to the end. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video to your friends, your families, those around you. Thank you very much. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye, guys.